In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chat on WhatsApp Web. We'll start right from your computer. Open your preferred browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official results so you're on the genuine site. This is the browser version of WhatsApp that mirrors your chats and lets you message from your keyboard, which is great for speed and multitasking. To get in, you have two options. The most common is scanning a QR code to link the same account you use on your phone. When the QR appears on your screen, use your phone's WhatsApp to scan it and you'll be logged in. Keep your phone connected to the internet while you do this to ensure a smooth link. If your region supports it, you can instead log in using your phone number by following the on-screen prompts. Either way, you'll end up in your WhatsApp account on the web. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen where your chat list lives. At the top, find the plus sign or the speech bubble icon. That button is your starting point for creating a new chat. Click it to open the new chat panel. Next, use the search bar that appears. Type the name of the person you want to message, exactly as it's saved in your contacts. As you type, suggestions will appear. When you see the right person, click their name to open a chat window. You're now ready to send your first message. Click in the message box, type what you want to say, and press Enter to send. If you need a new line without sending, hold Shift and press Enter. You can also add emojis, attachments, or voice notes from the toolbar below the message box if you like. There's another handy way to start a chat, especially if the person isn't saved in your contacts yet. Go to your browser's address bar. Type wa.me followed by a slash and the person's full phone number written in international format. Make sure you include the country code and avoid spaces, dashes, or symbols. Press Enter. A page will load with a Continue to Chat button. Click it, and a new chat window with that number will open right in WhatsApp Web. That's all there is to it. Log into WhatsApp Web, start a new chat from the plus or speech bubble icon, or use the way.me method for numbers that aren't in your contacts. With these steps, you can start conversations quickly, stay organized, and reply faster from your computer.